Alright guys, here we are, Mountain Creek Bike Park. We're gonna go get a run in on Upper and Lower Dominion. Even put the bigger drop in for you too. So let's get it going here. A couple of easier jumps here at the beginning. They work their way up bigger and bigger as we get going. Do this triple, double, do a booter, nice little whip, into the Covenant drop. Perfect. So butter smooth when you hit it right. Now we got a little transfer climb to get to the second part of the trail, because Covenant drop doesn't take you there.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you guys. I don't want to get in the way.
Let's do it, boys.
Go for it, dude.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Foot came off the flat there. Super dry out today here. Super slick. Get into the last feature here for the run. Phantom drop. Easy one, you just roll off it. Woo!